Between vibrated block and hand-molded block, which one is the best? Which one has more quality? So that is what I will be answering on this video. Hand-molded blocks and engine vibrated blocks, which of them have more quality? If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to our channel. We're celebrating and we're happy that you always come back here to watch our videos. If you are new to this channel, my name is Kristas. I'm your favorite Portharcourt based real estate consultant. If you are looking for a property to buy here in the city of Portharcourt, you want to invest in Portharcourt, you want to buy and build, you want to do land banking here in the city of Portharcourt, the person you are seeing on your screen is the right person you should be talking to. On this YouTube channel, I educate, inform, and update my audience on everything they need to know about real estate right here in the city of Portharcourt. And on today's video, we are going to be comparing hand-molded block and engine vibrated block. Which of them have a higher quality? Now, answering that question, hand-molded block and engine vibrated block, which of them have more quality? It is just like comparing running with your foot and going with a car. It's just like saying that someone who runs with his foot will overtake someone that is going with a car. Of course, that is impossible. You cannot compare what you do manually with what you do mechanically. At every given point in time, engine vibrated block will always have more and better quality more than hand-molded block. In case you don't understand what the difference, what this engine vibrated, what it means, now I will take you to the site. Let me show you how the engine, how it vibrates the block, and I will also do a practical example of what they do with hand-molded block, so you can compare the two. And at the end, you will agree with me that there is no time when you are going to compare hand-molded block and engine molded block. Come with me, let's have a practical example.
Now let me explain to you the technology behind molding block. The technology is simply compressing sand, cement, and water that have been thoroughly mixed into shape. The more this mixture is being compressed very well, the more the quality of the blocks. And you can see the engine that have just compressed this mixture together. Now this is the one that have been compressed by the engine. Now watch out for the hand mold. Now in the case of this hand mold, the sand, cement, and water that have been thoroughly mixed is also being compressed. But to what extent is it compressed? To what extent? You see the compression that is done here. If they just hit it 2 or 3 times, that is the whole, that's the compression. So these ones are not thoroughly vibrated when compared to the level of vibration that is being done by the engine. So with this, you can agree with me that an engine compresses this mixture very well when compared to what is being done manually.
So you have seen practically what you can do with a vibrating machine and also what you can do manually with hand-molded block, and of course you cannot compare the two. But then are there times when hand-molded block will have more quality than vibrated block? Of course there are times when hand-molded block will have more quality than vibrated block. Take for instance, if someone is molding hand-molded block and per bag of cement they are producing 20 blocks per bag of cement, and you are comparing it with another person who is molding engine block, and per bag of cement they are producing 35 blocks per bag of cement, you cannot compare the two quality. In that case, the hand mold quality will have more quality more than the engine vibrated block. Why? Because of the difference in the mix ratio. But in a situation whereby you are using the same mix ratio, you use the same quantity of cement, the same quantity of sand, the same quantity of water, and you are using the same material, you are using the same component to mold this block. You mold hand mold block and you mold 6 inches block, you are going to see that the difference is very, very clear. There is no time at all where you can compare the quality of hand-molded block and that of engine molded block. That is why engine vibrated blocks are more expensive when compared to hand-molded block. I think I have done justice to that question. So engine vibrated block will always have a higher quality when compared to hand-molded block. In case you have not subscribed to our channel, please, the only way you can assist us on this YouTube channel is to subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell notification so you'll be notified when we post important videos, important content about what is happening in Portharcourt, real estate in Portharcourt. So that we post important videos like this, you are going to be notified. And also make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm can recommend it to more people, so that more people will see the information that we are bringing to this platform. Till I come your way next time, I remain your favorite real estate consultant right here in the city of Portharcourt, Kristas Properties.